Safety and security in our world is more important now than ever. That's why Hanwha Vision is proud to provide the Hanwha Vision Revit plugin to make designing a safe and secure future easier than ever. Explore, analyze, and make informed decisions on the fly with the most powerful security plugin available for Revit. From rapid iteration to in-depth security analysis, the Hanwha Vision Revit plugin equips you to design with security in mind. Once installed, the Hanwha Vision Revit plugin should be visible in the Revit ribbon at the top of the screen. The Hanwha Vision Revit plugin has a variety of features that facilitate rapid, informed design of secure spaces. Click Cameras to launch the Hanwha Vision camera browser within Revit. You can filter available options based on product type, the regions in which the products are available, or by camera resolution. Once you have placed a camera in your project, click Camera View in the ribbon to see the camera's perspective in a 3D view. You can add a name for your view and also adjust level of detail and visual style. As you design, this view will update with changes that you make automatically. The Field of View block feature allows you to visualize where a camera's perspective is blocked by elements of your design. You can select to view blocked elements for a single camera or multiple at the same time. Each field of view includes helpful range information, visualizing what falls into the identification, recognition, observation, or detection ranges. To adjust the field of view for cameras in your project, you can choose one of the actions under Camera Field of View Adjustment. From adding mounting accessories to customizing display options or adjusting rotation, pan, tilt, and zoom of different cameras, this dialog makes adjusting field of view fast and easy. If you need to quickly toggle the display of field of view data throughout your project, you can use the field of view on and off buttons. This makes it fast and easy to visualize camera coverage for your entire project at once and make quick security evaluations on the fly. Hanwha Vision is committed to making it easy for architects to design safe and secure projects for the future. Combined with the versatility and innovation of Hanwha Vision hardware, the Hanwha Vision Revit plugin changes the game for security design. Get started with the Hanwha Vision Revit plugin by navigating to the AE Partner Portal at hanwhavisionamerica.com.